Article 5 talks about citizenship by domicile. Domicile generally refers to permanent residence. So, citizenship of domicile is further subdivided into three: domicile by birth or origin, domicile by operation of law, and domicile by choice. A person obtains domicile by birth or origin when a person is born in India or when either or both of his parents have born in India. Domicile by operation of law is when a law declares a person to be a citizen of a particular country. For example, Citizenship Act of 1955 declares certain persons as citizens of India. This citizenship is called domicile by operation of law. Domicile by choice is covered under Article 9 of the Indian Constitution. It is when a person applies for the citizenship of another country or the country of India. Such citizenship obtained by a person's will or person's choice is called domicile by choice.